The Batavia shipyard is situated in Lelystad. It contains a replica of a splendid ship that belonged to the United East India Company. This Dutch company was founded in 1602 and traded for almost 2 centuries with Asia, Africa and America. The huge sailing ship the Batavia sank in 1629 just off the west coast of Australia. Even though it was said to be unsinkable due to its special construction. With masts built from trees, it was 10 years in construction. Today, a replica of Admiral Reiter's flagship is being built in the shipyard. Visitors can observe the exacting work that goes into the construction of a timber frame that later forms the ship's hull. Holland was once a tiny inhabited island amid the Icel Sea, frequently threatened by storm tides and an ever-increasing water level. Here, large cargo ships loaded their goods onto barges. 500 years later, Holland is located on dry ground. Its old harbour complex is now surrounded by spacious meadows. And UNESCO designated this former island of fishermen as a World Heritage Site. Kampen has always been an important trading centre. But in the 15th century, its inclusion as a Hanseatic town ensured its continued prosperity. However, in 1578, its financial success came to an end due to Spanish occupation. Nevertheless, the picturesque city has been well preserved. The narrow lanes and streets in the protected city centre are the perfect place to relax and take in the sights, as colourful houses reflect in the tranquil water of the canals. Kampen is situated on the Icel River that flows 4 kilometres to the Icel Sea. An ideal location for the busy trade that once took place here. Large sailing ships lie at anchor in the harbour, and parades and competitions often feature here. Amateur sea captains populate both river and harbour and add a different sense of urgency to the waterways. Flevoland is the youngest of Holland's 12 federal states and is 2 to 6 metres below sea level. It originated following the construction of gigantic dams. Cultivation of flowers, farming and tourism are nowadays the most important source of revenue. And its endless rows of windmills are an important source of energy.